Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bell Emails account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Bell Emails account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in webmail.bell.net and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Bell Emails account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Bell Emails account. Tick mark on the box to verify that you are not a robot. After you're done entering your email address and password, tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Keep me logged in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your email address or password, click on the link that says I forgot my email address or password. This is how you can log into your Bell Emails account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.